Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the health benefits of kidney beans. Kidney beans, also known as red kidney beans or rajma, are a type of legume that are native to Central and South America. They are named for their kidney shape and are typically red, but can also be white, black, or speckled. In addition to their nutrient content and health benefits, kidney beans are also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. They have a mild, earthy flavor and a creamy texture that makes them a great addition to soups, stews, and chili. They can also be used as a vegetarian or vegan substitute for ground beef or other meats in dishes like tacos or burritos. Kidney beans are available year-round and can be purchased dried or canned. Dried kidney beans require soaking and cooking, while canned kidney beans can be used directly in recipes with minimal preparation. When selecting canned kidney beans, it's important to look for low sodium or no salt added varieties to avoid excessive sodium intake. It's also important to rinse canned kidney beans thoroughly before using them to remove any excess salt or additives. One thing to keep in mind when consuming kidney beans is that they contain a naturally occurring toxin called lectin, which can cause digestive issues if not properly cooked. It's important to soak and boil kidney beans thoroughly before consuming them to reduce the risk of digestive issues. In summary, kidney beans are a nutrient-dense food that offers a range of health benefits and can be used in a variety of dishes. With proper preparation, kidney beans can be a delicious and healthy addition to any diet. High nutrient content. Kidney beans are a nutrient-dense food that contains various vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, and kidney beans are a great way to incorporate them into your diet. Aids in digestion. Kidney beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion. A single cup of kidney beans contains around 15 grams of fiber, which is more than half of the recommended daily intake. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system regular and can prevent constipation. Regulates blood sugar levels. Kidney beans have a low glycemic index, which means they are digested slowly, and their carbohydrates are absorbed into the bloodstream gradually. This makes them an excellent food for regulating blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for individuals with diabetes. Heart healthy. Kidney beans contain flavonoids and antioxidants that can reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that individuals who consume kidney beans regularly have a lower risk of developing heart disease. Weight management. Kidney beans are a great food for weight management. They are low in calories and high in protein and fiber, making them a filling food that can keep you full for longer periods. This can help you control your calorie intake and reduce the risk of overeating. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks, the top health benefits of kidney beans. Whether you add them to your soups, stews, or salads, kidney beans are a great way to add flavor, texture, and nutrition to your meals. We hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.